Welcome to Refrigeration System and Cold Room YouTube channel. This is freezer cold room for ice cream, and this is floor heater. You see this? We install floor heater. This is floor heater of freezer cold room. You see this? This is heater wire. You see this? This is heater wire. We installed this heater for freezer cold room flooring. You see this? This is sensor, and this is heater wire for cold room freezer flooring. Inside the flooring, you see this? This is all heater wire installed in the bottom of floor of freezer cold room. I request you please share this video to all refrigeration and cold room engineers and technicians. We all heater wire going to this on outside. Stay connected with us for more update about cold rooms and refrigeration system. Now this finishing work is left and all panel installation working is finished. Only finishing work is left. All this wire going to this outside.